I'm fighting Lux
Ooh,
right now.
Liku's streaming.
Yeah, I'm streaming. It's just a friendly.
No, Liku is streaming.
Okay, two of my friends are debating in the server whether Mario and Luigi or Sephiroth would win.
Mario and Luigi.
Yeah, see?
I think Liku's in YG. Yeah, he is. Alright.
Okay, who am I
what the-
fighting, or has it not been decided yet?
It's not been decided yet.
Okay, I'm gonna go get a snack.
Actually, wait, no, you fight Vale.
No, oh no. Oh no, oh no, oh no.
How did someone accidentally ping everyone?
Where?
in the tourney chat.
Oh my fucking god, bro.
The guy
Wait,
was.
DK,
Oh,
he tried to ping me.
DK Stocky. Oh god.
Well,
no! No, how did I get grabbed?
I love how Bird is just being toxic. Classic Bird brain.
It's Bird playing in tournaments. No, I shielded. That's the mo. Oh, he's reading me, golly.
So the Falco player is winning, right?
Fox.
Fox?
Yeah, Bird plays Fox.
Bird plays Fox because Falco got nerfed, but either way, he still plays
the
Fox.
He likes
the
spaces.
second best Fox in the game. Yeah, he plays a lot of spaces. I
played 2/3.
Isn't he like considered the second best Fox because nobody else really plays him except for Tiller?
Okay.
Not even. Tiller's bringing back the Bird, low key, but
I don't like Lux for his evil deeds.
I started the switching to Fox after Falco got nerfed thing before everybody did. Yeah. Even though I didn't really do anything with Fox. But it's all good.
Those SDs are incredible.
My suggestion, win.
So true.
Yeah.
How did that hit?
How do I fight?
How do you
I'm
fight?
confused.
Good question.
Every time there's like a bad character on my screen, I'm scared because I don't know what I'm doing against them.
Does anybody know? Does he know?
I don't know.
Sheesh,
how did that miss? How did
Fox
that
McCloud.
miss?
You'll love to see it.
That's
Fox
crazy.
McCloud.
What if I play Fox in this tournament? Because I got Fox, but it's like this is decent. It's getting better. It's the same as my Falco.
I'm playing as Vandanity. Just cause.
Ooh. Ooh.
I remember Alfred's salty Smash Flash 2 video about this character.
Yikes.
Yeah, my defense in. Oh my god. How did you grab at the right moment?
I'm dead.
Nah, bro. I do it at the right time.
Okay, mister.
That's crazy. Oh shoot. Oh shoot.
That was the wrong move.
Oh no! Oh my gosh. Calm down there. Nah. Shoot. There's no way that hit me.
JB,
no.
you're getting rested?
Oh no.
That's unfortunate.
Oh, what?
No way.
I did not even know Axe had a sour spot. That's wild.
I don't think it does.
I just got hit. I can't tell if I can't tell if it was multiple hitboxes like happening at the same time, or I literally just got hit by a sour spot of Axe.
I don't think Axe has a sour spot. I'll be honest. That seems pretty wacky.
Come on!
I just kill him. The rage.
I hate this game.
It's stressful. This is stressful.
So real.
Okay.
Fanto, please don't. Please do not.
Yeah, I wanted to say something, but you know, I want to, you know.
I'll be the one.
I
want to be that guy.
My man said nothing but spam rest.
Yeah, that's Wale for you.
Y'all killing. Y'all right.
That's what happens when people just don't take you seriously. So.
Yeah, no, that's
you
just
gotta
the
feed
Volley
off of that.
effect.
You just gotta feed off of that. Oh my god.
Sheesh.
How do I beat this? Bro, how?
Or be up thrown to back air real.
Wait.
Oh.
Yep. Anything's real if you make it real.
You can believe.
Oh, this is where the game gets fun.
Oh,
Just
great.
like the voices in your head.
Volley sandbag. So awesome. Bro is a car.
Oh my god.
Okay, I'm actually getting messed up right now.
Very factual.
This is not fun. How do you get rich from me, but I can't rush you? Alright, I think I got it. I think I got this. I'm you down.
I'm so mean. But it's just in
Factual.
my nature. It's just in my nature.
It's in his blood.
I was
Okay,
just
I died at 0.
I was born and bred to just be me.
That's actually so worth it for Volley too, is the issue.
Why? Why does Fastball just kill you instantly?
I looked away and then
Good
just
question.
lost. Wow. Okay.
One that none of us know the answer to. This is game 3.
That's crazy.
That's game 3. That's what I'm saying.
I try to be like Mark, but I messed it up. How do I fight this? So much combo potential, but I don't know how to fight. Amuse. I don't have the knowledge. I got fucking ratioed.
Factual?
Honor
Actual
ratio.
factual?
Oh, what am I cooking?
What was he cooking? Ladies and gentlemen,
A little bit of
what
Simon
was
soup
he cooking?
and a side of metal leg. I don't know.
A side of metal leg? That doesn't sound very good.
I mean, if you want to maintain a rich a rich iron diet. Yeah.
Why is bro playing GB?
Why do you always hate it when people play your character? Like,
Because
bro,
Vale doesn't know. I know Vale doesn't know. I know he doesn't know the character like that.
so it's a character.
I'm allowed to be offended. Because
Bro,
he's
come
playing
on.
a character. Grr.
Patience is not.
I'm joking.
It's a
I just don't get it when people try and play GB and they like don't know the stuff. Like, what is the point? Go play somebody who's like easier. That's just me.
I mean, how's anyone supposed to learn if they don't play and make a few mistakes?
They're supposed to play a character that they like. They're not supposed to be trying new characters in the middle of a tournament set. Like you, if you're in tournament, you should like, unless you're like new to the game, which Volley is not. Volley has been around the block. Then you should generally, I'd say, just try and play characters that you like actually know how to play.
All right.
Bird Brain with the Bird Games. Is he about to win?
None of my moves are allowed to hit is the thing.
Yeah,
They just aren't.
Yeah, Chibi's just small like that. I think this multi-stream format might actually work. Not gonna lie.
Not dead yet.
Yo, Liku's not dead? Oh, there we go.
Oh my god.
Not gonna lie, I was scared for a second.